Golgi apparatus is another organelle included in the endomembrane system. Camillo Golgi in 1898 first observed this densely stained reticular structure near the nucleus. They consist of many flat disc-shaped sacs called cystinae of 0.5 to 1 micron diameter. These are stacked parallel to each other in a concentric manner near the nucleus. They have a distinct convex cis face or forming face facing the nucleus and a concave trans or maturing face facing the outer surface of the cell. The Golgi apparatus mainly perform the function of packaging materials and to be delivered either to the intracellular target or secreted outside the cell. The materials to be packaged in the form of vesicles from the ER fuse with the cis face of the Golgi apparatus and move towards the maturing phase. This is why the Golgi apparatus remain in close association with the endoplasmic reticula. A number of proteins synthesized by ribosome on the endoplasmic reticulum are modified in the cystinae of the Golgi apparatus before they are released from its transphase. The Golgi apparatus is also an important site for the formation of glycoproteins and glycolipids. Lysosomes are another organelles found in the cell. These are spherical or irregular single membrane bound vesicles formed by the process of packaging in Golgi apparatus. The lysosomal vesicles contain a number of hydrolyses like lipase, proteases, carbohydrases. All these hydrolytic enzymes are active at the acidic pH. These enzymes are capable of digesting carbohydrates, proteins, lipids and nucleic acids. Vacuole is another organelle comes under the endomembrane system. In plant cells, the vacuoles can occupy up to 90% of the volume of the cell. Vacuole is a membrane-bound space found in the cytoplasm. It contains water, sap, excretory product and other materials not useful for the plant. The vacuole is bounded by a single membrane that is called tonoplast. In plants, the tonoplast facilitates the transport of a number of ions and other materials against concentration gradient into the vacuole. Hence, the concentration is significantly higher in the vacuole than in the cytoplasm. In amoeba, the contractile vacuole is important for excretion. In many cells, such as protists, food vacuoles are formed by engulfing the food particles. Mitochondria are another cell organelles clearly visible only when stained. Their number, shape and size per cell are variable depending on physiological activity. Typically, it is sausage shaped or cylindrical, having a diameter of 0.2 to 1 micron and length 1 to 4.1 micron. Now, the structure of mitochondrion. Each mitochondrion is a double membrane bound structure with an outer membrane and an inner membrane. The inner membrane dividing its lumen distinctly into two aqueous compartments, the outer compartment and the inner compartment. The inner compartment that is filled with a fluid that is called matrix. The outer membrane forms a continuous layer. However, the inner compartment that shows infoldings. These are infoldings. These infoldings are called crista. This structure, the presence of crista, increase the surface area. Mitochondria are the site of aerobic respiration. They produce cellular energy in the form of ATP. Hence, they are called powerhouse of the cell. The matrix also possesses single circular DNA, a few RNA molecules, ribosomes, and the components required for the synthesis of protein. So, mitochondria can divide by fission. That is the significance of this organelle.